Hello, Victoria. My name is Viviana. Welcome to this video. As mentioned earlier today, I want to share with you three things that you can do to increase the traffic to your website and basically attract more customers to grow your business. So let's get into this. First of all, I am here in your website, and anything that you have in here is considered content, which is the text, the images, or the video or videos that you have. And Google is going to find you for that and it's going to rank you for that. So right now you actually have click to call buttons and you have different pictures of the different services that you provide, all of the different badges that you have, which is really good. And then the contact us form. So it's actually looking really good. The front page, you have 849 words. Let's have a look at your competitors. So this one, overhead door, they have 783 words, so not as many as you. And A1 Garage Door, this is a landing page for Denver. They have 1,951 words. So it's important to have enough content because Google likes to see content. And the more content that you have means that you're able to actually include the relevant keywords so that Google can find you for those keywords and can rank you for those. So one opportunity of improvement here is including more content and more relevant content. And what I mean by that is that when I came in here into the Google search, I type in garage door repair Denver, which is a buyer intent keyword and is what people type when they want to buy a product or a service. And the first section is the Google Ads. And Google Ads are good at driving traffic, but the flip side is that some people have the ability to turn them off on their browser, and they can also be very expensive if they are not done correctly. Now, the second section is the Google Maps, and Google My Business profiles are being able to drive 40% of the traffic, so they are having a massive impact. Now, to rank at the top, you need three things. You need pictures, you need reviews, and you also need citations. And citations is anywhere your business is listed on any directory showing the name, the address, and the phone number. And they have to be exactly the same as the Google Business Profile so that Google can verify you and can rank you at the top. Now, the third section is the organic search, and that's where I found your competitors. And to rank at the top, you need first to be found by Google for the relevant keywords, but also you need backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs that is saying to me that right now, select garage doors in Colorado, they have 210 backlinks in 57 referring domains, which are links on external websites directing traffic to your website. Now let's have a look at your competitors. So overhead doors, they have 2,680 backlinks on 179 referring domains, and A1 Garage Door Service, they have 107 backlinks in 43 referring domains. Now, important to mention here is that not all backlinks are created equal, meaning that there are backlinks that are more powerful than others, because if they are sitting on websites that are relevant to your industry and to your niche, then Google is able to verify that, and depending on your service, it's going to give you more points and it's going to rank you at the top. Now, the other thing that I wanted to share with you is this section here, organic keywords. So you are being ranked for 349, and this dashboard shows me those keywords and the search volume of those keywords per month and the position in which you are appearing for the Google search. So basically you want to target keywords that have higher search volumes so that and include the backlinks so that you can actually rank at the top so that you are appearing on the first pages. Now let's have a look at your competitors. So overhead doors, they are if I look at the buyer intent keywords, so they are first position for garage doors Denver, and there's a 250 people search for that particular keyword in a month. Then we have Denver garage door repair 150, and they are also number one. Garage door Denver 60, they are number one. Let's have a look at A1. They have garage door repair Denver. The keyword is look, 800 people search for this keyword on a month, and they are ranking number 3. So that means that they were in front of 800 people just for that keyword, and then a percentage of that people actually click on their link, and then depending on their and then a percentage of those actually reach out and call them, and then depending on their closing rate, they were able to convert them into customers. So that's where you can see the relevance and the importance of ranking at the top of the Google search, because that means that your website is going to be in front of more people, and more people is going to reach out to you, and then you're going to be able to convert them and grow your business. So if you like what you saw on this video, please feel free to reach out to me. My name is Viviana. You can use this information and use it and implement it on your own. The only thing I ask in return is just your feedback. And my contact details are at the bottom of this email. Thank you so much for watching, Victoria. Bye bye.